I need everyone to get on the gunship now! What the hell is that? Everyone, get on board now! Officer, what the hell was that? Soldier, are you alright? Oh my god. No. But how are you here? That portal should have taken us to Ninjago.
No, you idiot. This gateway takes you to where me and Garmetal were imprisoned in. It's not like the Realm Crystal where you can go to any realm the Precursors built. Gateways go to specific locations.
You know about the Precursors?
Yes, I do. But if you want to know more, tell your guards to stand down.
No.
Fine. Have it your way. Vex, now!
Yes, my lord. Shroud us! Shadow us!
We obey the Dark Lord and the Dark Lord only!
What did you do, Vex?
When I found out about your plan to leave the Nether Realm and never return, I knew you weren't fit for leadership. So I struck a deal with the true Master Omega. If I found a way to bring him back, he promised me a new empire, where we would conquer all the 16 realms together.
Vex, I trusted you.
You were destined for greatness, sir, but you've associated yourself with these outsiders, therefore I cannot serve under you. Now guards, seize them and cover the little child's mouth.
No! Omega, you can't do this! We need to get back to Ninjago!
Ninjago is long gone. It is burned and nothing has survived.
No! You're lying!
So many lives extinguished. So many families burned. And so many kids have died to a horrific blaze. Caused by your dear friend, the Elemental Master of Fire.
Shut up! You're lying! None of this is true!
No. I can sense it. What has he done?
The very city you ninja swore to protect has been destroyed by one of your own. Goodbye, Lloyd. I hope to never see you again. Now, Vex, throw Garment on with the others in the prison cell. He's powerless now. And as for the little child, bring her to my throne room. I need to tell her who her father is.
Yes, my lord. Kai, wake up.
What's going on?
Oh, it's you, Char. Did you do this?
Yes, I did.
And where is Asphira?
I'm afraid she's dead.
Oh, she's dead. Well, in that case, guards, seize him.
Char! What the hell are you doing?
Since the queen is dead and you are not a serpentine, you cannot obtain the throne.
I gave you this victory! And this is how you reward me! Oh, I'm gonna kill you, you son of a...
Ugh. Get rid of him. I have no use for him anymore. But sir, what if the ninja survived and they plan an attack? Are you deaf? I said throw him out of my city!
We need to get out of here. If we don't stop Omega, he will completely destroy Ninjago and move on to the other realms.
Yeah? And how are we gonna do that? We are locked in here with all the Ice Samurai against us. You should have killed Omega when you were in that realm. May I remind you, it was a balanced realm. If I killed him, I would have died because the realm would have fallen apart. You could have at least stopped him from coming through the portal. It was out of my control. He saw it first and ran through it. I followed him. Well, maybe if you were a better fighter, you would have stopped him. Well, maybe if you were a better ninja, we wouldn't be in this jail cell. Maybe if you were a better father, we wouldn't be here in the first place. Then blame that on your mother, Lloyd. If she didn't die, I wouldn't have gone back to crime. And here we go again, always bringing Mum into an argument to give yourself a platform to defend yourself. Enough! We cannot escape with you two at each other's throats! Sorry, Dad. No, Lloyd, it's not your fault. I shouldn't have responded to you. How on earth are we gonna get out of here? I think I may just have an idea. God, you need to help me. The other prisoners have escaped. Oh, I was just about to finish the theme song. What do you mean they've escaped? The Earth Ninja broke a hole through the wall. What? Move out of my way! What do you mean they've escaped? I don't see any hole. Excuse me, sir? Yes, what is it? Wait a minute! Can I just say, I am heavily surprised that worked. Quick, let's go before the others come. What do you think will happen to the Ice Emperor after all of this? He'll probably be executed, and then his armor will probably be used as an elite guard or something. Listen up, Ninja, I have a plan. Cole, Jay, Zane, Harumi, and Akita deal with the Ice Samurai, whilst me and Lloyd will take on Omega. Lloyd? Yeah, Harumi? Stay safe. Yeah, you too. I hate this job. All we just do is stand here in the corridor and just wait and wait and wait until something happens. It's the most boring job. It's worse than the janitor. That's the problem. I would have been fine with being given the janitor spot, but no. I just have to sit here and stare at a wall and be in complete silence. It's outrageous. Hi. What are you two doing over there? Didn't you hear? There's been a prison break. Now will that shut you up? These Ice Samurai are stupid. Indeed. Well, I guess that's what happens when your brain is full of just nothing but ice. So whilst I was away, did you break up with that water ninja? Why are you asking this? Well, that hug Harumi gave you said otherwise. Me and Harumi haven't seen each other since the Oni War. We are not together. But you must realize she does love you. I know, but that's the problem. She knows I'm with Nia, and she respects that, but sometimes I do notice her looking sad. Ah, the troubling conflict that is romance. You can see why I never remarried after your mother's passing. It's just too complicated for me. Dad, instead of talking about my love life, let's focus on our mission. I can see the gateway ahead.
Lloyd and Garmadon, how splendid this is. Have you come to surrender?
Oh, the contrary. I have come to kill you. We won't let you destroy this realm, Omega.
Then you will die protecting it.
Cole! Guess you guys need some help. It's good to see you here. Do you mind helping us out?
Why won't you quit?
In the words of my son, a ninja never quits. Where did he go?
Look Looks like your relationship conflict has caused your heart to break.
No! Lloyd, please, stay with me. Stay with me, please. Please don't leave me. Not you too. No! Dad, I don't want to die. Dad, I don't want to... I don't want to go. Dad. No! Lloyd! Please, come back! No! No! Lloyd! You monster! First you hurt Raven, and now you kill Lloyd? How many more people have to die until you stop?
Now why would I hurt my daughter? Besides, if I die, she's the rightful heir to the throne.
Raven's your daughter?
I followed Jessica into Ninjago. When I found out that she was dating a human, I disguised myself as him and, well, let's just say I am very proud of creating such a weapon of mass destruction.
I'm gonna kill you! Jay, you must control yourself. If we are to defeat Omega, we must defeat him with intelligence, not anger. To hell with that! I'm gonna finish him by cutting his head off! Where am I? Hello, my child. Who are you? Some call me the creator of light. Others call me the master of peace. But you can call me Eltariel, the light bringer. Where on earth am I, Eltariel? You are in the domain where darkness is nothing but a myth. You are safe here. So, is this heaven? Indeed, this is a heaven, but not the one your kind is known for having. No, this is a heaven specially created for all precursors. Wait, you're a precursor? Indeed I am, and so are you, Lloyd. I'm a precursor? Yes, you are. But how? For centuries, we put our heart and soul into creating the perfect being. We tried everything from mixing serpentine with ghosts to spiders with stone warriors. But only until my son created the Oni was I able to perfect my craftsmanship and create the dragon. Together they created your grandfather. The first Spinjitzu master, you created him? We were behind what made him, indeed. But with it came a cost. To create your bloodline, we had to sacrifice our own lives to ensure your survival. My friends are being attacked by an Oni named Omega. Is there any way you can help them? I can help them. I can grant you life again. Alongside that, your golden powers will return. Thank you, Eltariel. Welcome, Lloyd. Now go! Bring balance to Ninjago!
I'm going to enjoy feasting on your flesh, Blue Ninja.
Yeah, well, eat this!
Ninja are so predictable. I leave you for a year and this is what becomes of you. Pathetic.
How about me? Am I weak? But that's not true. That's impossible. How are you alive? Lloyd, you're alive. But how? If we are so predictable, Omega, can you predict my next move?
Stop this at once. This isn't fair. You're supposed to be dead. Roar!
Salmuna samarusa sitar gupta sasturkak.
No, please, have mercy.
So many people have begged for mercy before you killed them, and you never cared. Why should I give you the freedom of mercy?
If you kill me, you will never know what happened to your mother.
I don't care.
No! No! No!
The ruler of the Netherrealm is now dead. My services are no longer needed.
What? You didn't kill me.
You would just come back anyway, but with this method, you will stay out of the picture forever.
No! No!
Lloyd, are you alright?
Lloyd, do you have any idea what you have just done?
Yeah, I just saved your lives. A thank you would be nice.
You trapped Omega inside your body. Do you not know of the consequences?
What did he do?
Called the Dragon Bond method. It's when you trap an entity inside your body to make them powerless. However, the side effects is that it causes a Jekyll and Hyde effect, where two entities fight for control.
I'll be fine. Lloyd, Raven has something for you. What is it, Raven? Huh. Thanks. Do you know what this is, Dad? Wait a minute. I recognize that. It's a realm crystal covered in ice. Impressive. Normally realm crystals ward off a massive amount of energy that can stop it from being covered by anything. Interesting. But that doesn't make sense. Vex said we didn't have one. He must have hidden it the second he found out about your plan to leave the Netherrealm to go back to Ninjago. With this, we can go back home. Wait, Dad, no!
This feels weird without Mr. E.
Oh, quit moaning, big guy. It'll be fine if we stay together.
We've got a person heading our way. It looks like he's got a body with him.
Well. Looks like we've got a prize, boys. Let's go rob him.
Who are you?
Who am I? That is a very interesting question.
Oh, would you look at that? It's the Fire Ninja, now all alone because he failed to protect his city.
Oh, how I disagree. All of this is my doing.
You did all of this? Why? You're a protector, not a terrorist.
Personal reasons, Kilo, that's all. Now, I need your help.
Why should we help you, human?
If you help me, you can have his memory card.
What else do we get?
A place in my New World Order. One of my elite, even.
We're in. What do we have to do?
Now let's go ruin a coronation. What is taking so long? Can't you just put a crown on my head and call me your king? Who dares ruin my coronation? Coronation, General Char? This is bad comedy. Kai? Is that you? Here's a hint. No! What are you doing? No! No, not the arm! Unfortunately, Char, for you, due to a new leadership, your services are sadly no longer needed. Thank you so much for your work, though. It has really inspired me, shall I say. Thank you once again. No! Now that he is dead, I am your new ruler. You will take orders from me and you will address me as your emperor. Is that clear?
Yes, my emperor.
Good. Now let's go make a weapon. Hey, Pixel. Hello, Nia. Are you okay? No, I'm not. We failed Ninjago when we don't have a team. Sensei Wu once said that if you dwell too much on the past, then its demons will finally catch up with you. What the hell is that? I'm detecting a massive surge coming from the portal. It looks like ice particles? Ow.
That really hurt.
Lloyd? Nia? Raven? Jay? Jess? Am I glad to see you? Where is Zane?
Pixel.
Zane? Is that you? Morrow, you're back. I thought you were dead.
I'm a ghost, Cole. I always come back.
Hello, brother.
Hello, Garmadon.
No, that's impossible. Sensei?
It's nice to see you again, Lloyd.
I missed you, Sensei. Harumi, is that you?
Hi, Nia.
Oh, it's so good to see you. I thought you were dead.
You thought a tiny fall in water would kill me?
It's so good to see you, Ninja, again. Now, who is the girl in the wolf costume?
I am Akita. I'm a kitsune.
In that case, welcome to Ninjago.
Enough of the pleasantries. We need to devise a plan to kill Kai. Whoa, Zane, we're not gonna kill him. Are you insane? Look at what he has done to Ninjago. He has probably killed thousands, if not millions. Pixel, what's the death toll? Of now, 4.9 million and 2,000 critically injured. You see, Lloyd, that is why we must do this, so we can avenge the people who have died. First of all, that's an overall number and you know it. Kai wouldn't have been able to pull off at least 4.9 million. That's obviously some of the Vermilion and Pyro Vipers. And second of all, if we kill him, then we're doing him a favour. He would have died knowing that we would never recover from this. Yes, I know that, but we could easily stop his evil tyranny if he dies. Yes, I know that. His tyranny would end if we kill him, but if we arrest him, he will have to watch his work be undone. Everything that he did to lead up to this moment, gone. He has killed 4.9 million and you want to give him the life sentence? Yes, I do, because ninja don't kill people. Well, I'm not a ninja anymore. I'm an emperor.
Enough. We do not need this conflict.
Well, at least it's given me my powers back. If you are standing up for Kai, I won't hesitate to hurt you. I'm not on Kai's side, but I won't let you kill him. I understand he's done horrible things, but at the end of the day, we are peacekeepers. Then let's do a vote. Everyone who wants Kai dead, come over to my side. Everyone who wants him alive, go over to Lloyd's. So you outnumber us, but even then, at least I still have a following. Ronin, what are you doing? Where are you going? No, Jessica, get back here! No matter, I still have Pixel and Nia. That's all I need. Nia, don't you dare! Nia! Pixel, don't. I'm sorry, Zane, but Lloyd is right. Kai must be brought to justice, not killed. If you are not with me, then you are against me! We don't want to hurt you, Zane. Fine. Have it your way. Go and arrest him. But you will not stop me from killing him, and if you get in my way, I will kill you. Great. Now it's us against Kai and Zane.
I sense a storm brewing and a war starting to build up. Soon, nothing will remain in Ninjago.